Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. This is the intraday for Bitcoin. We're gonna see what happened, what it might happen on the 1 hour and 15-minute chart here for Bitcoin. We're gonna start, of course, with the ABNSC or the 1, 2, 3 so far, because of course we might be here in a potential impulse and of course still wait for unfolding as a triangle. So we gotta be careful. Even it can be extending the triangle in a wave D as well. So because we see even lower prices still, so wave D is potentially extending here as well. And I think we need it because of course somehow you need the time to match as well. The wave B with the wave D as well, almost at least the 0.618 Fib time, and I think that yes, we might still get one more low for wave D before the wave E, by the way, and then pushing for lower. Yeah, so I just see this already that it is a bearish scenario anyway, so it's a correction and we're looking for lower in anyway, but it might of course rebound back again and then of course pushing for lower. Okay, so keep this also in mind. I don't see yet here a finished kind of like a wave E, yeah, because the wave E, yeah, it's very shallow. Imagine this is a wave E, yeah, so at least you need a zigzag. And now I see of course weakness though. That means of course wave D is still extending here and then having wave E later on and then pushing down. Yeah, so very interesting for Bitcoin. On 15-minute chart you can see also that yeah, in case that this is a wave one there, well, you don't have any, of course, you cannot count it as a wave one, by the way, because it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So but if you are considering that this is as a wave one, you cannot really, because the wave 4 and a 5 here is somehow 3 wavy, yeah, so impossible, yeah, I would say, to have double 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. And of course, the weakness is very clear. The momentum is, of course, decreasing. Therefore, of course, highest possibility that we are dropping down here for Bitcoin sooner or later. But I think that the price might range a little bit much more in this area before we're dropping massively again. Yeah, after a wave E here, we might, of course, unfold something as a wave 5 to take the low. Don't forget, you still have two possibilities inside this impulse. What does it mean? It means that you might still have a double 1, 2, 3, and then wave 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5, a double 4, 5. That means you might still finish an ABC there. Okay, that means as well you might still be in a wave Y until the 52K. Once we break the 52K, well, that is not impossible. I mean, it's not impossible even. It can be a deeper wave Y, but I doubt it. Okay. In this case, definitely it is a wave 3. We have to count a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Because, of course, one more low after having double 4, 5, for example, well, nothing is left, therefore, rather than this 1, 2. Meaning, after double 4, 5 internally for the double 1, 2 there, what is going to bring us lower than the 52K here is, of course, a final 4, 5 for this major 1, 2 here there. Yeah, and that means, of course, we might be in a deeper correction, breaking the 52K, transforming here into something very bearish, breaking our channel here, the base channel, if you remember, in the daily. Because, of course, if we break this channel again, it is a kind of like confirmation. A wave 3 is, of course, a breaking down of the base channel there. Yep, so we'll watch what's gonna happen, guys. So basically, I would say a little bit more sideways can be, of course, very possible here for Bitcoin, and we might still see a little bit, yeah, of up and downs here inside this range, yeah. And then, of course, at the end, it's gonna be wave 5 to unfold sooner or later. That was it for Bitcoin for the intraday. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.